Solar Charged Jacket. If you're a night runner, then this one's for you. Created by the UK-based sports gear startup Volbac, the Solar Charged Jacket phosphorescent membrane absorbs light during the day and releases its kryptonite green energy for those who need to be safe after dark. To see just how responsive the jacket is to light, the simplest thing to do is to go into a dark room and start writing on it using the torch on your phone against the surface of the fabric, as if you were using a pen on paper. It'll start glowing instantly and leave a trail of light. There's no time lag or warming up. The fabric reacts the moment the light strikes it. The Solar Charged Jacket is naturally fueled by sunlight, so one of the fastest ways to charge it is by wearing it outside during the day. Whether it's for 2 minutes or 2 hours, the jacket will store the energy from the sun and start glowing as soon as you head somewhere dark. Even if it's a cloudy day or you leave it near a window, daylight is bright enough to charge it up. RAZER Project Brooklyn. The concept for a next-gen gaming chair might be better described as a luxury gaming pod. An arc of a retractable 60-inch OLED screen provides a panoramic view. Ergonomic cushions cover the seat and arms. RGB lighting pipes the chair. A table folds in and out for PC to console ease. And much like the haptic feedback incorporated in a RAZER surround sound headset, the chair's frame is equipped to vibrate throughout gameplay. It'll be better than any ride at Universal. Feel every in-game moment with high-fidelity haptic modules built around the chair's framework that transmit the most sensitive tactile feedback with near zero latency for truly immersive gameplay. Designed for all types of gamers, the chair transforms from a regular gaming chair into a full-fledged entertainment rig that delivers breathtaking next-gen immersion for both PC and console gaming. At the touch of a button, Project Brooklyn deploys an expansive 60-inch rollout OLED display stowed in its back, plunging you into the action as you savor a truly panoramic experience. With stunning visuals and crisp detail, the chair comes with a compact, collapsible table tucked into its 4D armrests, allowing you to switch easily between PC gaming with a mouse and keyboard and console gaming. Equipped with a plush, high-density foam cushion that supports your unique body shape, the leather-stitched seat back by a robust carbon fiber body ensures perfect posture throughout gaming marathons. Icon. The Texas-based startup Icon caught the attention of the world when it created a fully functioning 350-square-foot home in 48 hours with the assistance of their Vulcan 3D printer. Their invention has the ability to help with the construction of a home, laying the frame and foundation of the home before labor is needed. The Icon team hopes to use their invention to help combat homelessness. Icon's 3D printing technology uses a gantry printer dubbed the Vulcan to print a double wall of the company's proprietary concrete mix, Lavacrete. The cavities within the wall are filled with insulation and a small amount of steel for support. At East 17th Street, the possibilities of the material are expressed in the stacked ridges and curves of first-floor walls. Currently, the Vulcan can print up to 10.5 feet in height, which is why the second stories of the residences are wood-framed. According to developer Gary Odell of 3D Strands, using 3D printed concrete for the first floors represented a significant cost saving for the project. Said Odell, "3D printing allowed us to build better homes at a better value for 3D Strands and the residents of those houses." Icon has been making the news for its space-based work, including Project Olympus, with Bjarke Ingels for NASA. Imagine humanity's first home on another world. Back on Earth, Icon first focused its technology on affordable housing construction, including a project in Tabasco, Mexico, with the nonprofit New Story. Now, Icon is scaling up. It recently launched its Exploration series, partnering with architecture firms like Lake Flato to cooperatively develop new design languages and architectural vernaculars, and explore the possibilities specifically afforded by 3D printing. 3D printed concrete offers the possibility of reducing the number of trades on site, cutting down on both construction waste and construction time, and ideally making housing more resilient and affordable. Philips SOMNEO. The original inventors, Philips, has something to help you get up earlier in 2022. The Philips SOMNEO is here to help you wake up better without the very disruptive sounds of a traditional alarm clock. The SOMNEO simulates a natural sunrise each morning while assisting with your sleeping habits. Smart features include a midnight lamp, phone charging dock, power backup, speaker, auto-dimming display, 25 personalized brightness settings, and smart snooze. It's controlled using a touchscreen on the bottom of the lamp, which disappears when not in use. Here you can adjust the wake-up time and duration, choose the sound to wake up to, and pick the brightness level. You can also add an alarm noise as well. Unfortunately, there's no DAB option with this model, but you can create 2 alarm profiles, one for the weekdays and one for the weekends, for example. When it's time for bed, you can use SOMNEO as a nightlight to read by. Gravity Jet Suit. If you're planning to join the Avengers in their fight against Thanos, you're going to want to get your hands on this suit. Created by Gravity Industries, the 1,050 horsepower system uses 5 mini-jet engines to help users soar through the sky at 80 kilometers per hour. With hundreds of test flight events under the belt, Gravity's technology has proven itself time and again for a whole host of military applications. The British Royal Navy used the suit to conduct a visit, board, search, and seizure exercise. The high-profile operation usually involves a stealth team hooking onto and infiltrating a moving ship using a fast boat. But Browning was able to hop onto the HMS Tamar, a Royal Navy Batch 2 River-class offshore patrol ship, using just the jet suit. A key feature of the Gravity jet suit is its incredible top speed, which currently sits at a record-breaking 85 miles per hour. To enable this, Browning's team had to minimize material use and lightweight their components as much as possible, a key design advantage of 3D printing technology. Each arm of the suit features a turbine mount 3D printed out of aluminum. The critical part is used to house the turbine engines and point them in the right direction, giving the user full control of the suit's trajectory. Gravity approached 3T's internal design team seeking a geometrically optimized version of the arm mounts, eventually opting for aluminum, as they needed the mounts to be both strong and lightweight. As well as shaving off the unnecessary material, 3T was able to consolidate the components of the old assembly into fewer parts, streamlining the suit's assembly process. Other parts of the jet suit, such as polymer cable routings and electronics casings, have previously been 3D printed using EOS technology. LIFESAVER drone. A research team in Australia recently developed an algorithm capable of using video footage streamed from drones to detect sharks and alert swimmers, dubbing it, naturally, Shark Spotter. This new drone is still being fine-tuned, but once it's ready to go, its designers hope it'll be used to help save swimmers. The Shark Spotter drone is programmed to fly above open waters and warn swimmers and surfers when a shark has been detected in the area. To do this, the drone has been fitted with loudspeakers. Once the drone spots a shark in the water, it'll notify a lifeguard, and the lifeguard can use the loudspeakers to yell down to those in the water that they need to head to dry land. Believe it or not, this isn't the first drone to help out in the sea. There are already a few drones that look for swimmers in trouble. They drop inflatable life preservers to help them out before a lifeguard can get to them. EARGO. The United States-based company EARGO is here to add a little disruption to the hearing aid market. With 48 million Americans suffering from hearing loss, the team hopes that their easy-to-use, comfortable product will give these people, those with mild and moderate hearing loss, the ability to hear again. EARGO, founded in late 2012, was featured by Time magazine as one of the 50 best inventions in 2018. As of June 2020, EARGO reported that they had sold 42,000 hearing aids. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has classified EARGO hearing aids as medical devices, and some insurance policies cover their cost. EARGO was modeled after a fishing fly with patented soft medical-grade silicone fibers, flexi fibers or flexis that hold it in place, and floating in your ear canal. There's a tiny, transparent fiber that enables you to pull out the hearing aid. The flexi fibers come in 2 sizes to fit most ears. The flexible design allows natural air circulation in your ear. EARGO amplifies only specific sound frequencies. To compensate for mild to moderate hearing loss, the hearing aids enhance high frequencies so you can hear speech clearly and simultaneously reduce background noise. Low frequencies are able to enter your ear naturally. Hearing amplifier devices are personal sound amplification products, PSAPs, in comparison, amplify all sounds or make everything louder. With 4 settings in all, you can personalize your settings profile for phone, TV, outdoor, or group situations. To go from one setting to the next, tap your ear twice. The hearing aid will tell you which setting you're on. The Neo Hi-Fi model can also be controlled via a smartphone app. Additionally, the brand also provides customers with ongoing support from qualified hearing professionals.